Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys one of the best delicious gravy recipe, butter paneer masala. This is very easy to make and very few ingredients. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. To start, in a pan I've added 50 grams of butter, 1.5 inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 cloves and 1 black cardamom. Now to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of each ginger and garlic, roughly chopped, and 1 tablespoon oil. Now go ahead and just saute for a few seconds on a low flame. You don't have to brown them, you don't have to saute for a longer time. Now to this we are going to add 1 medium onion that is roughly chopped. Then go ahead and just combine them. You don't have to brown them, you don't have to cook them through. To this I'm adding 1 large tomato or 1 cup tomato that is also roughly chopped. Just go ahead and again combine. No need to cook it at this point. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Now go ahead and combine everything together. To this I'm going to add salt as needed. Add salt just a little bit. You can always adjust the salt later. 1 heaping teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder or paprika. Combine everything and cook on high heat until it's nice and soft and cook through. Now once it is done, 1 teaspoon coriander powder goes into it. Combine well and turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit before we make into a fine paste. Now I'm going to transfer just the ingredients into the blender, leaving the water behind, and discard the black cardamom if you prefer. Now make into a smooth paste. Now strain this in a bowl, the paste that we prepared, and also rinse with 1/4 of a cup, which is 1/4 of a cup water. And also now I'm going to add the water from the masala that we cooked earlier. Go ahead and strain everything into the bowl and discard any bits and pieces that is left behind. Now set this aside, and I have rinsed the same pan. I've heated it on medium-high heat. Now turn the heat on a medium heat and transfer this masala paste into the pan. And to this I've added half a cup of tomato paste. Actually this tomato paste is from the canned diced tomato that I've just made a smooth paste. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This gives great flavor, rich flavor. Salt if needed, and 50 grams of butter. Now we are adding unsalted butter just to remind you. Cook until the sauce starts to boil. Now once you see it starts to boil, add 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves, also known as methi leaves. You can just crush it as you add to the gravy. Go ahead and mix it well. Cook this on a medium heat. Now I'm going to add paneer. This is a homemade paneer. I'm adding 300 grams of homemade paneer. You can also use store-bought. Just go ahead and add it and just combine it with spatula gently, or even you can shake it just to combine the gravy with the paneer. You don't have to overcook the paneer because paneer is very easy to cook. It cooks through very quickly. So just cook it for a couple minutes, and now once it comes to a boil, I'm going to just add 2 tablespoons cream and quickly turn off the heat and stir it well to combine so that it doesn't curdle. Once it is done, you can garnish with some parsley or cilantro, and you can serve this with basic bread or parathas, naan, rice, anything you prefer. I hope you enjoy watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.